Nikon, a pioneering name in the realm of cameras, is often the first choice that springs to mind for enthusiasts and professionals alike. With a storied history deeply ingrained in the pop culture lexicon, Nikon has earned its reputation through decades of unwavering commitment to delivering top-notch photo and video equipment. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Nikon cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Nikon Z72 emerges as the poignant crescendo in the symphony of cameras, earning its place as the number 5 best Nikon camera. A marvel in the realm of mid-priced, high-pixel wonders, it waltzes with the spirit of the D850, embracing a 45-megapixel sensor on a 5-axis stabilizer within a sleek mirrorless frame. Bid farewell to the traditional optical viewfinder as the Z72 graciously introduces an EVF, inviting photographers into a realm where every detail is vividly etched. For the visionary souls navigating landscapes, orchestrating studio masterpieces, or capturing the soul in portraits, the Z72 beckons with its pixel prowess, dynamic range, and advanced focus system. In its veins flows the capability to freeze time, achieving 10 FPS continuous drive and subject tracking that reaches the very edges of the frame. It's not just an upgrade, it's an evolution, a lyrical progression for D810 and D850 custodians hungry for improved autofocus and swifter pace. Crafted with a magnesium heart, dust and splash resistant, the Z72 dances into action at $27.69, a testament to its worth in the hands of those who seek to immortalize moments with finesse. Meet the Nikon Z9 emerges as the crescendo of photographic innovation, claiming the prestigious title of the 4th best Nikon camera. It stands as a do-it-all marvel for seasoned professionals, a symphony of cutting-edge features harmonizing to capture moments with unparalleled finesse. The heartbeat of this technological marvel lies in its 45-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, a groundbreaking leap for Nikon. With a fully electronic shutter, uninterrupted viewfinder bliss, and a staggering 20 FPS in RAW or 120 FPS in JPGs at 11 megapixels, it dances on the edge of photographic ecstasy. This camera is a siren call to creators, demanding a serious commitment to the craft. Its robust, gripped body, a love letter to those with substantial hands, marries seamlessly with hefty telephoto lenses. The Z9 is the mirrorless revelation for those yearning for the tactile embrace of a Nikon D6 or Canon 1D XSLR. It's a photographic odyssey with features like 4K ProRes and 8K H.265, complemented by the revival of Nikon's legendary 3D tracking focus system. In the prosaic world of cameras, the Nikon Z9 is a poetic ode to visual mastery, priced at $5496, a testament to the gravity of its prowess. Introducing the Nikon Z8, a masterpiece that claims the 3rd spot on the podium of the best Nikon cameras. This gem is a dream for hybrid creators, balancing the finesse of the Z9 in a more compact, single-grip body. Packed with a 45-megapixel sensor, it beckons to landscape enthusiasts and architectural virtuosos, capturing every intricate detail with finesse. The Z8 dances effortlessly between worlds, boasting a stacked CMOS sensor that orchestrates a symphony of 20 FPS RAW or 30 FPS JPG stills, 8K 60 video with 12-bit RAW quality, and 3D tracking focus that reads subjects like poetry. This camera isn't just a tool, it's an extension of a creator's soul, marrying stunning visuals with impeccable performance. For those who crave the adrenaline of sports and wildlife photography, the Z8 delivers a fast focus system and blackout-free burst capture, immortalizing the essence of the wild. Portrait photographers find solace in its full-frame sensor and eye detection focus, painting nuanced emotions with every click. For $39.96, the Nikon Z8 isn't just a camera, it's a portal to a realm where creativity knows no bounds. Presenting the Nikon Zf, a nostalgic masterpiece that seamlessly marries vintage charm with cutting-edge technology, earning its spot as the second-best Nikon camera. Priced at a vintage-worthy $1996, this mirrorless wonder boasts a stunning retro design reminiscent of the iconic Nikon FM2. As a digital marvel disguised in classic allure, the Zf houses a 25-megapixels full-frame sensor and Speed 7 processor, delivering top-notch autofocus, subject tracking, and 4K video capabilities. Upon cradling the Zf, waves of nostalgia for the analog era enveloped me. The camera's robust brass dials and substantial build echoed the timeless elegance of its predecessor. However, my joy was tempered by the uncomfortable minimal grip, urging me to yearn for an extended grip. Furthermore, the absence of native vintage-style Z-mount lenses limits photographic aesthetics, compelling users to compromise with modern alternatives or vintage lenses via an adapter. In essence, the Nikon Zf transcends mere functionality, evoking an emotional journey through photography's history. Say hello to the Nikon Z50, crowned the numero uno in the realm of Nikon cameras, and here's why. Nikon's departure from the DSLR lineage led to the birth of the Z50, a 20.9 megapixels marvel that stands as the quintessential gateway into the Z system without the hefty price tag of a full-frame body. It's a symphony of 11 FPS bursts, cinematic 4K 30 video prowess, and an expansive focus point array that outshines its predecessor, the D5-600. Noteworthy is the Z50's uncommon feature among entry-level models: dust and splash protection, a guardian against the unpredictable whims of weather. This camera is a nuanced choice, a tad more than entry-level, designed to captivate photographers with a penchant for the craft. If you're a Nikon SLR veteran, fear not, the Z50 welcomes your flashes and lenses with the grace of an FTZ adapter. At $996, the Nikon Z50 is not just a camera. It's a symphony of technological finesse and creative potential. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.